if an atom has a positive charge, so let's think about that. Protons have a positive charge and electrons have a negative charge. When they're neutral, those two are equal, meaning there's an equal number of neutrons, an equal number of protons. Now, if an atom becomes positive, which one would it have more of? It would have more protons, right? Because you need more of a positive charge. Now, conversely, if you create a negative ion, you would have more electrons than you would have protons. So that's just something to kind of think about, and we'll do some more practice with that. So ionic bonds is when they create those ions that are positive and negative, and one atom is going to completely donate electrons to another, and that's how it creates that ion. So if we look at this example here, sodium chloride, which is table salt right here. Table salt is a perfect example of an ionic compound. So sodium is going to donate one of its electrons to chlorine, and that is going to make sodium positively charged. And then that donating that electron to chlorine is going to make the chlorine negatively charged. And then because sodium donated that to chlorine, they create an ionic bond between the two of them, based on having that positive and negative charge, like a battery, positive and negative ends that are going to be, or magnets, positive north and south poles, they're going to be attracted to one another. The third kind is one that is very, very important, hydrogen bonding. That's kind of like the basis of life, pretty much. So it's going to be the attraction between two hydrogen molecules, and this is most prevalently seen in water and in DNA. So in water has a property called cohesion, where it is very much attracted to itself. And so the hydrogen molecules within water, hydrogens are attracted to one another, and that is the property of hydrogen bonding. So you can see that here in this picture, those little lines that are vertically placed, that's what holds water molecules together. And then finally, we have peptide bonding, which is what forms between amino acids to create proteins. So we'll talk more about this when we get to biomolecules, but here is an example. It's just showing the bond between the carbon and the nitrogen to form the peptide bond. So for now, all I want you to understand is that it's a bond that forms between amino acids to create proteins.